The admin portal in Wine Enterprise provides access to settings related to configuration, account, system, and documents. The admin portal is for administrators to use settings to customize Wine for their own unique needs. Setting the theme, user roles, permissions, and much more can be accessed from the admin portal. The admin portal also provides a tile view for quick access to frequently used options. In the tasks list, admins can drill down on specific tasks to see when the task was completed, if and why it failed, and more details to best manage the load being placed on the server. Version information of Wine is also displayed to easily see the version currently being used. The configuration section provides access to configuring specific areas of Wine Enterprise. UI settings are used to enhance the fully white-labeled Wine Enterprise so that the text, images, logos, color themes, and login page are fully customized to meet any corporate branding. Dashboard settings manages the Wine Dashboard's plugin options, such as defining the filter scope of a container and more. Email settings manages the outgoing mail server settings that are required for the proper functioning of the scheduled templates. This allows end users to distribute reports and dashboards via email. Worker queue settings helps configure the workers being used for executing reports on the server with load balancing and optimal rendering time options. Schedule settings provides further control over configuring how the scheduling works on the server. Wine Reports settings provides options to configure the Reports plugin. It allows the admin to choose the position of the parameter panel at runtime and the number of preview pages of reports. Semantic Model settings provides options to control the behavior of the query generated by the model engine. A semantic model is a representation of a relational database meant for providing non-technical users with the data they need and can best understand to build powerful reports. The License tab manages the activation and deactivation of the Wine license. The Security Providers tab displays the security providers that are currently configured for the system. Admins can connect to their Active Directory, open LDAP, or completely custom security provider to integrate with Wine Enterprise. This allows users to use the same credentials with Wine that they log into their business applications with. Schedule Templates manages the scheduling options and recurrences available to users for automated distribution and scheduled actions for reports, dashboards, datasets, and data sources. Scheduled templates can be created on any custom recurrence settings to distribute documents every day, every week, or virtually any custom schedule. Auditing settings allow the admin to set up and configure a system audit log and track which documents are accessed, viewed, edited, or exported, as well as what parameters are being used. This is especially useful for sensitive data. Categories helps admins manage the categories and subcategories on the system. The default document theme is for admins to set a default document theme for end users to use when building dashboards and reports. System Configurations manages the integration for external security providers, as well as embedded systems and API integration. The Account section manages settings related to the account, such as users, roles, custom properties, security settings, and user context. Organization management is used to manage tenants in a multi-tenant deployment of Wine. This setting enables data governance and security settings across individual entities or organizations. Organization context values, such as company name, can be used in a data source connection string to allow for dynamic data connections across different tenants. Users displays active users and provides access to options such as editing, disabling, or deleting users from the list. All permissions in Wine Enterprise are role-based permissions. Each user belongs to a role, and each role has a given set of permissions, such as create report or create dataset. Users can belong to multiple roles, and each role can have varying levels of permissions. Manage and customize these roles and permissions from the Roles page. The Custom Property page manages all the custom user information in Wine. This information is used to further define user context values and add dynamic behavior for datasets, data sources, reports, and dashboards. The Locked Users tab displays all users who have entered the wrong password more than 5 times and have been locked out. This can be configured to not be active. Security Settings manages the password policy and user locked time to enhance security settings. The user context value filters data to display only data specific to the current user. This is useful for multi-tenant deployments and implementing data governance rules. User context allows the creation or deletion of custom claims. A custom claim uses a custom property created in the custom property page and is added to user properties. These values can be used in data sources, data sets, and documents to dynamically filter data based on who is logged in. The Generate Token tab generates an integration token for Wine Enterprise. This is for granting single sign-on or simply bypassing the login screen so that users can directly access the Wine portal or an individual dashboard or report. This token can be generated for specific users, most often via API. Under System Management, there are options to import and export files, as well as view the audit logs. Export manages exporting multiple documents to an archive folder. The archive folder contains all the elements contained in a report or dashboard, such as an image or a theme. This is an easy way to manage backing up all contents on the Wine server. The Import tab selects the documents and resources to import contained in a zip file. View audit logs allows tracking which documents are viewed, edited, exported, distributed, and more. The Custom Theme tab is where a custom portal theme can be uploaded so that the Wine Enterprise interface matches your corporate look and feel exactly. The Documents section displays all of the documents of Wine Enterprise. The document permissions and categories can be edited, or documents can be downloaded or deleted from the admin portal. For more videos and tutorials, visit wine.grapecity.com.